there is a new option for seniors to get the health care they need in Midwest City. Here with me now to learn more about Archwell Health is Dr. Anish Pakala. Welcome to the show, Dr. Pakala.
Hello, thank you for having me.
Absolutely. So first, I just want to ask you, for people who may have never heard of Archwell Health, why don't you tell us all about what you guys do?
Well, yes, thank you. Thank you for the opportunity. So Archwell Health, we provide high quality primary care for our seniors who live in an underserved area or underserved population. The healthcare of seniors is very complex and it requires a more comprehensive, a more holistic approach. And that's what we provide here at Archwell to help our seniors live better, healthier, and happier lives.
And I was reading about some of those services that you all provide. I mean, the list is pretty extensive here. Tell us some of the services that you provide specifically for seniors.
Sure, that's a great question. So at Archwell Health, what we pride on is the fact that our doctors have small patient panels. It's very important for patients to be able to spend that high quality one-on-one time with their physicians. And these small patient panels allow our physicians to do just that. This also allows for patients to have like shorter wait times and also same day appointments, which I think is very important for patients to have. We provide transportation to and from our clinics. We also provide transportation to specialty clinics, and these are specialists that we have chosen for their excellent track record. We provide certain services inside of our centers, like IV medications if needed, wound care. Coupled with same-day appointments, this reduces ER visits for our seniors. We also provide social work, nutrition. This is all part of the holistic care that we provide. And we also have, like I said, specialists like cardiologists on board.
And we are here today, obviously, to talk about the new location. Tell us where it's going to be and why there was a need for an Archwell Health in this area.
Well, yeah, thank you. Thank you for that question. So we've opened 2 centers already in Oklahoma City. We're very excited about that. The 2 centers, one is at Bethany, the other is in South Oklahoma City. And then tomorrow we are going to open our 3rd center. It's going to be in Midwest City. It is 6951 Southeast Street and Southeast 15th Street, sorry, in Midwest City. And the grand opening is tomorrow between 11 to 1, and it's going to be a good party and with live music and food. We would like for our seniors to come by and check us out. So the way we choose our centers are very conveniently located inside our communities, where we can allow easier access for our seniors to come visit our clinics. These are parts of large cities where we have noted that there is a large density of our seniors, and they do not have access to a good quality medical care.
One question I have as well, because you speak about, underserved seniors in particular. How big of an issue is that, seniors that are underserved?
Yeah, that's an excellent question too. Yes, so this is in fact a very big problem, and it is pervasive across the country. Seniors are impacted by this problem of not having access to good quality medical care. And so what that does is it forces seniors then to access ERs for their healthcare needs. And at Archwell Health, because we understand that problem and we want to improve the outcomes and healthcare access to our seniors, we have started this endeavor where we are providing clinics right in their backyards, where they can access their physicians' same-day appointments. Like I already mentioned before, we have certain medications that we can provide, like IV medications and certain wound care. And this, along with the same-day appointments, improves their access to healthcare and makes them live happier and healthier lives.
And for any seniors who may not be watching right now or don't use the internet or don't have a phone, how are you making sure that people know about your services, and especially things like being able to have transportation to the appointments?
Yes, yes. So we partner with community organizations. We have hosted certain community events. We have an excellent staff of member consultants who are in the community right now, doing this face-to-face, close personal interactions with our seniors and spreading the word. We are very excited. We've had a pretty good response. Our clinics are already seeing a lot of patients coming into the clinic.
All right, Dr. Pacala, thank you so much for coming on the show to tell us about the new Archwell Health location there in Midwest City. And we had your website on the screen the entire time there, so people can go there for any more information. Thanks so much for coming on today. We appreciate it.
Thank you, Shelby.